some, did you want it as it is, just with the duck, or did you want some sweet and sour in there? Sweet and sour is literally just to coat the rice with.
It's up to you, because I don't mind.
Huh?
I don't really mind, but I need to like it. So.
Honestly, it's just going to be a little, stops it from being so dry.
And you.
It's starting to get a little bit clunky now, that's where the moisture's coming in. So let's start the move now. As the moisture comes out, stops being so clumpy. Like I said to you, Dave, I'm trying to dry it out. Right, we put the oven on, ready to tray it for 10 minutes, and then that way it dries more of the moisture out, or takes more of the moisture out of the rice. So it ends up sitting, it'll flow through your fingers sort of thing. It hasn't got to be that way, but I think it's a bit more pleasant. I think we can put a bit of this on there now. Bit more soy sauce. You should have dark. Start off with light brown and dark, but we've only got a white, so it's not going to have that darkish, too darkish colour that big fried rice has. And the flavour won't be so strong either. The rice was done the normal way I told you, where big pan with your giant tea strainer on top of it. So you have a big saucepan. For 4 people, I'll go up to here with the water, which is probably 1.5 litres, almost 2 litres of water, with 2 stock cubes, vegetable or chicken. You don't really want to go much else, because otherwise it's going to flavour everything. You get it on the boil. As soon as it's comes to boiling point, starts bubbling, sling your rice in there. We just measure it in the mug. So we have a full one of them for about 4 of us. And just do a half one. Find out yourself which ones is what you need. You can always do a curry one day, as long as you can chill your rice down to freezing cold, which you can do under the cold tap like you're doing this anyway. Within an hour, you can keep it for 24 hours. You can't do that, you can't. Right, this is almost done now. Actually not too bad, is it? What we need to do now is sling the duck back in. The duck's still hot anyway. But it was going to be a longer time doing this. I'll put the duck in the bottom part of the oven so it stayed hot. This will just finish your cook a bit more. Notice how it shrinks, you don't get so much in the pan. All these big gaps in it. You've added more stuff in there. Yeah, so you put your rice in, let it boil hard for 10 minutes with the lid on. When you take it out, you need a bowl something like that. So when you take your rice out, put your bowl, that there, tip a lot of the hot water in there first, then tip all the rest of the rice as long as you don't overflow the bowl. Get all your rice out, shove that underneath the cold tap and wash the shit out of it. That can then be left on the side to dry, and that water can go back in there. Back on the pan, with more hot water in there just to make sure it's topped up enough. Then that can sit on the edge of there like that, on the heat. Leave your lid on for 10 minutes. And that should so obviously we just used that for this, should give you rice like that. And all that green is in the orange bit. That's, I use vegetable stock in there. That's just bits of carrot, bits of parsley and herb and stuff like that. Now if you wanted to, if you pre-cooked them and dried them, you can do it if you boil them in water rather than fry them. Stops it getting so oily, which I think might make the oven fries. And it's just drying out just nice. That's done. What you're looking for, is that it falls off the fork, sort of stranded. That's just your egg fried rice with duck in. Like I say, it could be beef, pork, anything. Bacon. Nice with good quality smoky bacon in it. So when you get your chicken carcasses, all your bones from your meats that you have, what's left on the bone that you're normally going to throw away while you're watching telly, sit there and pick all the meat off, put it in a little bag, freeze it. The next time you do one of these, defrost it as long as it's hot all the way through, which is, you could put the meat in with the rice to start off with, put the meat in with in the pan before you do the egg, like we just did here today. That's in part 1. It's 2 minutes yet. Yeah. Right. That's basically it, Dave, anyway. All you need to do then is put it on your plates. This is only a cheap one, but you can have a sweet and sour sauce over the top of it. Them little sauces that we brought in the Sainsbury's, when me and Jim was with you that day when we come back from the hospital. Any little sachets that look like they can mix in with it, and yeah, there you go. Bye bye.